Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set the time and how you can set the day on your LuxPro Thermostat TX100E. Now, first of all, before adjusting the clock, you need to make sure that the system switch is off. So this is the system switch and you just have to simply turn it off. Now on the TX100E, the clock and the day settings can only be changed while the thermostat is in the off mode. And if it is set to heat or cool, the set button will open the programming options instead. So once it is off, what you need to do next is you need to simply press this particular set button once. This way the clock is going to display on the screen and it will also be flashing, indicating that the thermostat is ready for the time adjustments. Now you need to use these up and the down arrow buttons in order to adjust the time. You need to simply continue pressing the buttons until the correct hour and the minute are displayed. Just be careful to set the correct AM and the PM time if the thermostat is using a 12-hour clock format. So once the time is correct, you just have to again press this particular set button and the day of the week will begin flashing on the display. This means that you have moved from the clock setting to the day settings now. Now again, you need to use the up and the down buttons to scroll down to the days of the week and stop when the correct day is displayed on the screen. Now setting the correct day is also important because the TX100E uses it for its programmable heating and cooling schedules. Now, when the date and the time is selected successfully, what you need to do is you need to simply press the set button again in order to save the changes and return to the normal display. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.